Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Scorpio, your person current feelings and their actions. And this reading is from June 1st to June 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings. So let's see your person current feelings. The moon, 8 of cups, knight of swords. I think there are some secrets hidden in this connection. You could be hide something from your person, or your person could be hide something from you, and definitely there is separation also between both of you, but your person want to come towards you. Your person want reconciliation, and your person want to communicate you. So in past definitely there is separation between both of you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Okay, let's see. 8 of swords, 9 of cups, knight of wands. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius could be, or Aries, Leo, Sag, 5 sign also. I think your person may be stuck in past, but right now he want to come towards you because your person have a lot of passion for you, and you are their wish fulfillment. 9 of cups. Definitely your person want this connection and want to make a move towards you. He will come in. So let's pull some cards from universe. Lovers, you or your person could be Gemini. 3 of wands, knight of pentacles, the last card, 7 of cups. Lot of water energies here. I think your person fantasizing about you a lot, or your person could have options in their life, but he is choosing you because Knight of Pentacles, he want to offer this pentacle to you. It is slow but stable. And lovers, definitely you both have love for each other. And 3 of wands, definitely it is long distance relationship, waiting. One person is waiting for the other person to make a move towards them, and this could be long distance, and definitely he will come towards you. This waiting is going to be end in near future because you are their wish fulfillment, but it will take some time because Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy. He will come in, but it will take time. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.